What's up guys, Major here and welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can blur out backgrounds with Photoshop. So like sometimes you take a picture and then maybe you cut out the background, then add a new background. You can see that blurring the background a little bit is going to actually make the picture look better. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. So what you're going to do, you have to open Photoshop. My Photoshop is already open. I can see I've already done this on a picture of me. So I'm going to do it again. I'm going to define a new picture. I'm going to obviously close this. Nope, I'm going to close it. And then I'm going to find a picture that I like. And then I'm going to cut out the background. I'm just going to take the same picture, drag it into Photoshop. Okay, now all you have to do is you have to zoom in first, then you zoom in first. So this is actually me. I'm pretty ugly. So when you zoom in, then now click on the quick selection tool, and then click on add selection, and then just add the selection so however you want it to be. However you want it to be, just add the selection. Okay. If it's actually getting too much or too little, just have to click here and then increase the size or increase hardness. But I'm not actually doing that because I suck at this thing, so I'm just going to use it this way. So I'm going to do this. Okay, let's do, and then I'm going to like, okay, that's cool. So what I have to do next is just make sure the background you're removing, like, I'm going to make it perfect. So I'm going to like make sure that it's perfect. Okay, so I'm going to make sure it's perfect, and then continue to the next tutorial. So you have to like make sure it's good, like good enough. That's it. You can see the picture looks very good. Like I'm actually not bad at this. What you have to do next is to see if the picture will look good when you cut out the background. Just click here, so you can see it's actually good, but I'm going to refine it a little bit. I'm going to add refine. Oh shit! No. Okay, I'm going to actually. Okay, wait. Okay, that's actually good. Then I'm going to click OK. And then you unlock the background. That should be the first thing you do, but you can do it anytime I feel like. So just unlock the background and then click on this, add layer mask. Okay, then you now click here, apply layer mask. So what you have to do next is you have to find the background that you want to use. So in this case, I don't even know what I'm going to use, but I'm just going to find anything. What should I use? Okay, let me go to my other pictures. I don't know. I can't even find things around there anymore. It's annoying. It's pretty annoying. Like, goddamn annoying. Okay, let me just use this. I know it's crazy, but I'm just gonna use it. So drag it to the Photoshop, then resize it. Boom. Resize it to fit the picture. When you resize it, it's actually good, so I'm going to like resize it more so it's communicating specific. Good. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so what I have to do now is click OK, and then to make your picture appear above the background, what you have to do is you have to make this one the background. And how to make it the background, you have to drag it towards the bottom, and boom, you can see you're out. So what you have to do now is you have to select the layer that you want to use the stuff on. When you select this layer, then you go to filter, and then go to blur. Then you now go to I'm going to be using Gaussian blur, but I don't know what other ones, but I'm just using Gaussian blur. And then what you have to do, you have to adjust it until you are satisfied with the image, and once you're satisfied, you can just stop. But if you drag it way to 250, that means absolute blur, like it's an absolute blur. So I'm going to be making use of like maybe like something like this. It's dope. And then click OK. So what you have to do now is I have to like make this picture better, like better. So I have to like find a way of like doing. Nope. Okay, I'm just okay. It's actually so weird. Ah, fuck. Okay, yeah, that's it. And then just to render it out, you have to just click here. First of all, you have to like merge all visible layers, and then boom, they're together now. You can see they're together now. You see what you have to do now? Just click File, Save As, and then give it a name you want. So I'm gonna give it new. Okay, then I'm gonna be using PNG. That's the best format for that kind of image. PNG, and then save, and then okay, and then wait till I save it again. So you have to click here, and then you will find the files. Go to M. And where the hell is me? Don't mind the weird pictures here. And just oh fuck me. You can see what the. I can't even find a picture. Okay, actually, I have to go to Photoshop back. I have to go to Photoshop. Hey, come on. What the hell? Oh, it hasn't saved yet. My Photoshop is about to crash, actually. But yeah, that's just the basic way of setting things up with Photoshop. Like, we don't even that's the basic way of blowing background with Photoshop. So the page is back. So I'm going to like go to here, and I'm actually going to click here again, save, to find the directory. Okay, yeah. Okay, that's it. Then I'm going to come here. I'm going to go to PNG files. We'll have OKC here. You see, background is blurred. I know it's not like actually in good shape, but yeah, it's still good. So that's how you blur backgrounds with Photoshop. And thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give the very big thumbs up, share this video, invite your friends to the channel, and thank you guys for all the support. I'm using this opportunity to thank you guys for all the support you've shown on me. Like, it's dope, guys. Thank you for the support, and I love you guys. And Major.